Welcome to Jodhpur. I love my country, and Rajasthan in India is spectacular and mesmerizing. Rajasthan state is truly magical and quite well known for its forts, palaces, rich culture, glorious history of our country rulers, delicious food, serene lakes, and so much more. I'm totally in love with visiting Rajasthan and was very excited to be here at Jodhpur city. This is the second largest city in Rajasthan, India, and was founded by Rao Jodha, ruler of Mandor city until year 1489. Jodhpur, the blue city of India, is quite famous for its friendly locals, food, shopping, and rich culture. In case you wonder why it's called the blue city, well, it's because more than half of the city houses are painted in blue color. And here are some interesting theories about same. Some locals paint their house in blue color to keep it cool on summer days, since the city is mostly bright and sunny all around the year. Some also say that blue color is associated with religious beliefs of Brahmins, which is a prominent caste in India, while other stories claim that locals of the town worship Lord Shiva, who is believed to be the creator of universe, and hence painting houses in blue color is a great way to worship God. And here is a fun fact about Jodhpur city. It was actually chosen as a shooting location for a famous Hollywood movie Dark Knight Rises, and actor Christian Bale completed his shot of prison scene somewhere near Mehrangarh Fort. Jodhpur is also known as the Sun City, and you will wake up here to beautiful sunrise over Mehrangarh Fort, which touches every blue house of the city and makes it truly spectacular. If you visit Jodhpur in near future, here are top places you can visit. Mehrangarh Fort. This is located at the top of hill in Jodhpur city and is a prominent tourist destination. You just can't complete your Jodhpur trip without visiting this incredible fort. This is one of the largest forts in India and was built in 14th century by Rao Jodha, who was the ruler of the bygone era of Mandor city. It is located high on the hill, which is almost 400 feet above the city and offers great panoramic views of entire Jodhpur. There are so many royal rooms and apartments here which you can visit, and architecture is superb. And just at the entrance, you can also visit some interesting historic landmarks such as the Loha Pole, which displays handprints of queens who performed sati, also called self-sacrifice by a widow on the funeral of husband. Right at the entrance of the Mehrangarh Fort, you can also visit Chamunda Mandir, which was built in year 1460 and is a famous temple in Jodhpur city. Jaswant Thara. It is a gorgeous memorial built in Jodhpur city and was dedicated to Maharaja Jaswant Singh by his son Maharaja Sardar Singh in year 1899. The locals here consider this as the Taj Mahal of Jodhpur, since this is also made out of white marble architecture and it is always glowing when the sun shines upon it. Located next to a small lake, it is also a pretty nice serene place, I would say, to spend some relaxed leisure time and to click some great pictures. And the views from Jaswanthara across to the Mehrangarh Fort are really superb as well. Umaid Bhavan Palace. Hi guys, happy Saturday morning. It's a bright sunny morning for me and I'm in Jodhpur exploring Umaid Bhavan Palace. What I learned from locals, this is one of the largest palace buildings in the world, and it's pretty beautiful and impressive with really good architecture. There's so much of history to explore as well. So stay tuned and I'm gonna bring you some exciting touristy updates for Umaid Bhavan Palace and Jodhpur city. Stay tuned guys, have a great day. This is one of the largest private residences and palaces of the world, and with a part of the palace managed under Taj Hotels, Umaid Bhavan also offers a luxurious stay to travelers. Umaid Bhavan Palace has pretty impressive architecture and it is a famous tourist landmark in Jodhpur. Interestingly, actors Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra celebrated their lavish wedding at Umaid Bhavan in year 2018. There is also a heritage museum inside palace with audio tapes and handbooks which can take you through its rich history of monarch families till date. And just outside the palace near the garden, you can also spot some vintage cars which were used by the royal families of the bygone era. My favorite was Rolls-Royce Phantom. Clock Tower, also known as Ghantaghar, is a prominent landmark of Jodhpur city and is also a perfect destination for shopping. You can find here some great variety of handicraft products, souvenirs, clothes, sweets and spices. Located in the center of Jodhpur city, this is quite hard to miss. And here is an interesting fact about the clock tower. Famous singer Mick Jagger was spotted shopping here in year 2018, so this is definitely a place which you have to visit. Surji Ka Jhalra. This is the famous temple in Jodhpur constructed in year 1740 and was built by women of royal families who were completely in charge of overseeing the public water works. At present, the well is abandoned due to modernization, but the impressive architecture attracts here tons of tourists every year. Also, this is quite deep with at least 200 feet in depth and diving here is strictly prohibited. Bishnoi Village. Rajasthan is famous for its cultural heritage, and to experience our rich diversity, you should consider visiting Bishnoi Village, which is located at least 20 kilometers away from Jodhpur city, and it is the real gem of Jodhpur. You will find here a lot of farmers who practice the strict principles of Bishnoi region, such as not killing animals and planting more trees. Here, farmers are extremely friendly with tourists visiting their homes and discussing their activities and region practices. You can also learn pottery making or take up a weaving session, and meeting Rajasthani family is really cool and would be the best highlight of your day. And trust me, they would even offer you opium as a drink. Yes, growing and selling opium is legal in Jodhpur city.
ओम नमो शिवाय शिव शंकर बड़े भंडारी हरि हर महादेव आप बड़े तीन दिल के नाथ बोलो कर स्वामी शिव कैलाश के वासी आप बड़े शिवले हरि हरि महादेव आप बड़े। फिर ये कब गिलास नहीं देते हैं? जैसे आप हमारे गेस्ट है ना, मैं आपको इसमें हाथ से
हाथ से एक दूसरे के हाथ से पिलाते हैं। And you madam speak repeat abracadabra,
Abracadabra,
simsalabim,
Simsalabim,
ahu.
Ahu. No, where is it?
Where is the water?
It's been soaked inside.
Not soaked inside. Where are you from?
Delhi.
Water go to Delhi.
Oh,
You need water?
yeah.
Again one more. Abracadabra,
Abracadabra,
susu bajira,
Susu Bazira,
ahu.
Ahu.
Chili to best Rajasthan.
Oh my god. The price of this one?
this one is like a
12,000. So much.
12,000 this one just like shipping then
Oh,
can't carry.
okay.
If you carry, not so heavy, very light. It's only 1.5 grams
Yeah.
after 12 very small. And just it comes to you, we take credit card or Visa card.
Okay, you accept card as well. That's very
Long.
How long it took you to learn this?
5 years.
5 years. And balance is very important.
Yes. That one madam money.
Oh, for money.
Bank of India. You want to try madam?
No, I can't balance. आपको कितना टाइम हुआ शादी में?
6 साल हो गए।
6 साल। और आपका बेचते हो के सब इधर ही आके खरीदते हैं?
सब इधर
इधर आके। Do stop by at some of these famous places for lunch, such as the street food parlor, which is quite popular for the fusion food, and you can also stop by at Indique restaurant, which is quite famous for lovely views of Mehrangarh Fort and great ambience. And do also make sure to try out your evening tea at Lakshmi Tea Hotel, which is quite amazing. I'm trying this amazing Jodhpur tea at Lakshmi Tea stall. I hope you find this video useful to plan your future trip to Jodhpur. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such travel videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram for regular travel stories. Also, you can now purchase bespoke tour services from me directly across India region. Please feel free to check out the link below in description for same. I will see you next time. Take care.